Locust pose is a wonderful hip extension, either in half or full locust, in restorative or active. So let's take a look at the active first. Grab one of your longer belts and open it up so it's not hooked at all. Lay it so that the middle of the belt is to the back of your mat and that the arms of the belt are to the front. Come down onto your belly, hooking your feet into the edge of the belt. And then reach back with the hands to grab the belt. Adjust the length of the straps by wrapping it around the wrists until the arms are straight and the legs are straight. And then coming up for an active posture. Once you're up, you might have to wrap again. Staying here, feeling nice and supported by the strap, and then pressing the balls of the feet into the strap to feel length through the crown of the head all the way to the balls of the feet. You may even experience a slight rocking as you inhale and exhale. When you're ready to come out, release down, turn your head to the side, and rock the hips side to side. Now let's see a supportive version of this pose. Grab 2 blocks and a bolster. We'll set the blocks up on the tallest height, and then the second height just about 5 inches away from that top block. Position the bolster on the floor first, lay it over the lower and then the upper block. Come onto your hands and knees, straddling the bolster with your legs, and then placing one leg up so that the hips come all the way down to the floor, but the leg is up on the bolster. Once you're in place, internally rotate the thigh bone, and then bring the hands back by the sides and turn your head to the side to rest here. When you're ready, switch to the other side. Press up with your hands using your belly to bring the knee underneath your hips, and then switch legs. Now, if you get into this pose and it feels like it's too much pressure on the back, feel free to lower the blocks underneath the bolster. Now let's look at both legs up on the bolster. So bring both up, toes touching, and then internally rotate the thigh bones. Hands by your chest to support, then turn your head, and then arms back by your side to rest. Another option to support the lower back is taking a blanket from the 8th fold, folding it lengthwise and placing it next to the bolster. This elevates the pelvis. To get even higher, you can roll up that blanket underneath the pelvis, bring it back towards the bolster, and then coming into the pose the same way. Once you bring both legs up, toes together, internally rotate the thighs, and then adjust the bolster to be underneath of the hip bones so you feel support in the lower back. Hands go back underneath of the bolster, head turns to the side. Great work!